Most men are never told this, but what if I told you that one simple vitamin, placed under your tongue for just 60 seconds, could dramatically improve blood flow, stamina, and overall male performance without prescriptions, without risky side effects, and without spending hundreds of dollars? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear has been sitting quietly on store shelves for decades, yet almost no one explains how to use it correctly. If you're over 50 and feel like your energy, firmness, or circulation isn't what it used to be, this may be one of the most important videos you'll watch this year. Welcome to Dr. Emily Men's Vitality. My name is Dr. Emily, men's health educator and wellness researcher with many years of experience studying male vitality, energy levels, and age-related health challenges. My work focuses on simplifying complex medical research into easy-to-understand guidance, especially for men over 50 who want real solutions, not hype. And before we go any further, take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to Dr. Emily Men's Vitality, because everything I share here is designed to help you protect your strength, circulation, and confidence as you age. Now, let's talk about the real problem most men face after 50. It's not lack of desire, it's not motivation, it's circulation. As men age, blood vessels gradually stiffen, nitric oxide production drops, and the smooth muscle that allows blood to flow freely becomes less responsive. You may notice weaker firmness, slower response, reduced stamina, or longer recovery time. This is not a personal failure. It's a mechanical issue inside the vascular system, and if blood flow isn't strong, performance anywhere in the body suffers. Here's what most doctors don't explain clearly. Blood flow is controlled by the lining of your blood vessels, called the endothelium. When it's healthy, it releases nitric oxide, a molecule that tells vessels to relax and open wide. When it's damaged by aging, inflammation, or oxidative stress, that signal weakens. Even if your brain wants to respond, your body can't fully follow through. This is where a specific vitamin becomes extremely important. That vitamin is niacin, also known as vitamin B3 or nicotinic acid. And no, this is not the same as no-flush niacin or niacinamide. Those do not work the same way. Immediate-release niacin has a unique and powerful effect on blood vessels that no other vitamin can match. When used correctly, it relaxes blood vessels throughout the body, increasing circulation quickly and naturally. What makes this method so effective is sublingual absorption. When niacin is placed under the tongue and allowed to dissolve, it enters the bloodstream directly through the rich network of blood vessels there. This bypasses digestion and allows faster, stronger effects. Within just a few minutes, most men feel a warm, tingling sensation known as the niacin flush. This warmth across the face, neck, chest, and arms is not a side effect. It is the signal that blood vessels are opening and circulation is increasing. This flush happens because niacin activates specific receptors in blood vessels that trigger the release of natural compounds called prostaglandins. These compounds relax vessel walls, allowing blood to flow more freely. More blood flow means better oxygen delivery, better nutrient transport, and stronger physical response, where it matters most. Timing and dosage are critical. For most men, 75 milligrams of immediate-release niacin placed under the tongue about 20 to 30 minutes before activity hits the sweet spot. Strong enough to increase blood flow, but not so strong that the flush becomes uncomfortable. If you're sensitive, starting at 50 milligrams is smart. Always begin low and let your body adjust. What's important to understand is that niacin doesn't just work in the moment. Over time, it improves the health of blood vessels themselves. Research shows niacin can raise protective HDL cholesterol, lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and improve endothelial function. That means your body becomes better at producing nitric oxide naturally, not just once, but consistently over weeks and months. This is why many men report not only improved performance, but better energy, mental clarity, and endurance throughout the day. Blood flow isn't local, it's systemic. When circulation improves, your heart, brain, muscles, and entire vascular system benefit. Another reason niacin stands out is affordability. A bottle of immediate-release niacin costs less than $10. Compare that to prescription medications that can cost $30 to $70 per dose and work by forcing a response rather than supporting natural physiology. Niacin works with your body, not against it. Safety is well established for most healthy men. The flush is temporary and harmless. Some men may experience mild stomach discomfort initially, which usually resolves by starting with lower doses or taking it with a small amount of food. Men with liver disease, gout, diabetes, or those on blood pressure medications should speak with their doctor before using niacin, but for the majority of men, it is safe, effective, and well tolerated. One critical warning I must emphasize: do not use slow-release or no-flush niacin for this purpose. These forms either do not produce the vasodilation effect or carry a higher risk of liver stress when used improperly. The flush is the mechanism. It is how you know it's working. What I love about this approach is that it gives immediate feedback. You feel the warmth, you feel the circulation increase. You can adjust timing and dosage based on your body's response. Over time, many men find they need less as their baseline vascular health improves. If you've been hesitant to use prescription solutions or frustrated by results that feel artificial, this is a science-backed alternative that supports your body's natural systems. Decades of research support niacin's role in cardiovascular health, endothelial function, and circulation. If this information is helping you, make sure you're subscribed to Dr. Emily Men's Vitality. We focus on real education, not fear or hype. And let me know in the comments if you've ever tried niacin or if this is new to you. Your experience helps other men learn and feel confident taking control of their health. As we age, we don't lose value, we lose circulation, and circulation can be restored. Sometimes with something as simple as understanding how to use a vitamin that's been misunderstood for decades. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Start small, respect your body, and experience what's possible when blood flow is supported naturally. Thank you for watching Dr. Emily Men's Vitality. Comment below, share this with a friend, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue protecting strength, confidence, and vitality after 50.